Easy paper crafts, come along with me. Step by step, it's so easy to see. Fold it, cut it, let your creativity flow. From a simple sheet, watch your ideas grow. Easy paper crafts, don't you stop now. Make a flower, bird, or even a crown. Just one paper, endless things you can do. Create your world, make it all come true. From nothing to something, just your hands, turning paper into magic plans. Every fold tells a story new. Every craft is a part of you. Oh, don't be afraid to try. Let your imagination fly. Big or small, it all starts here. With paper, passion, and no fear. Easy paper crafts, sing it loud with me. Step by step, it's your creativity. Fold it, cut it, make your vision show. From a simple sheet, watch your magic grow. Easy paper craft, shine so bright. Create all day, create all night. One small paper, big dreams come true. The artist inside is you again. So grab your paper and start today. Step